Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial, we are going to learn about how you can make quickly duplicate slide in PowerPoint. So I'm going to show you three methods that you can use as per your requirements. So let's start the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my PowerPoint, and you can see I have some slides here. Okay, so there is as I told you, there is three methods. Okay, just go to, you can first method, you can go to this option. Okay, and here you can see the all your slide. Now you can select the slide which you want to duplicate. Okay, the option called slide sorter. Okay, just go to the slide sorter. Okay, and here select the slide which you want to duplicate, right click on it and make a duplicate. The slide will be duplicate. Okay, so now we have, this is first slide, second slide, third slide. Okay, if you want to delete, just right click again and delete it. The second method, select that slide you want to duplicate, go to the home, go to the copy, just click that down arrow, little down arrow, and go to the duplicate, and this slide will be duplicates. Okay, and if you want to delete, you can delete one by one. Now come to the normal view. Okay, here the last method you can use, just select the slide which you want to make duplicate, and you can use Ctrl plus D. You need to press Ctrl plus D, then this slide will be duplicate. Okay, it will be duplicate. This command will create duplicate slide. Okay, now you can delete it. And if you want to want to make multiple duplicates, then select all slide. You can select all slide by clicking Ctrl A, then all slide will be selected like this. Come to the this option, slide sorter. I can select all slide by clicking Ctrl plus A, and now you can make duplicates. Okay, now you can see the all slide has been duplicated. Now come to the normal view, so you can see the all slide has been duplicated. The duplication has been created. Okay, so now let me undo, or you can go to the normal view, select your slide, all slide by clicking Ctrl plus A, and you can go here and make a duplicate. Okay, if you want to make few slide duplicates, select the slide, first slide, then you hit the Ctrl key and hold it. Now select that another slide like this. Okay, this is round border. When this round red border appear, means this slide has been selected. So I have selected fourth slide. Now click any slide, selected slide, right click on any selected slide and make a duplicate. Okay, now we have that 4 slide duplication here. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.